Welcome to Fix Your Apps. Today I am going to show you 13 secret Google Maps features that will literally save you money and make your travel life 100 times easier. Most people just use this app for basic directions, but you are about to unlock the hidden tools that pro travelers use to navigate smarter, find the best deals, and never get lost again. We are covering everything from downloading maps for offline use to finding hidden restaurant menus and even tracking your car's parking spot. Before we dive into these game-changing hacks, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss our tech guides. Let's start with the most essential trick for any traveler, saving maps for when you have zero internet. First, let's learn how to download offline maps. Open your Google Maps app right now and navigate to the city or area you are planning to visit soon. This is a lifesaver when you land in a new country and don't have a local SIM card or data plan working yet. Now tap on the search bar at the top of your screen and type the phrase OK Maps, exactly like this, then hit search on your keyboard. You will see a prompt appearing immediately asking if you want to download this map area to your device for later use without any internet connection. Look at the bottom of the screen and go ahead and tap the download button to start saving the map data. Alternatively, you can tap on a specific destination pin on the map, then swipe the bottom menu to the right until you find the download offline map option and click it. Next up is a feature that helps you organize your travel spots using custom emojis. Search for any restaurant or museum you want to visit and tap the save button on the location's profile. Instead of using the generic star, we are going to create a personalized category for better organization. Tap on the new list button at the very top of your list options. Give your new list a specific name like best coffee shops or must visit museums and write a short description so you remember why you saved these specific locations in the first place. Now, here is the fun part. Click on the choose icon button and select a relevant emoji like a coffee cup or a camera. This makes your map look organized and allows you to see exactly what kind of places are nearby just by looking at the icons on your map screen. To use these advanced features smoothly while traveling abroad, you definitely need a reliable data connection without paying massive roaming fees. This is where an eSIM becomes your best friend, allowing you to stay connected the moment you step off the plane in a foreign land. I highly recommend using the Airalo app for this. You can download the Airalo app from the App Store or Play Store and purchase a digital SIM for over 200 countries. It is much cheaper than traditional roaming and takes only a few minutes to set up on your phone. Now let's customize your navigation experience. Start any driving route on your map and press the start button to begin the guidance. Once the navigation is active, look at the blue arrow representing your car and tap directly on it to see a hidden menu. You can now change your vehicle icon to a red car, a yellow SUV, or even a green truck. Choose the one you like best and tap it. It doesn't change the directions, but it definitely makes the driving interface look much more personal and fun while you are on the road. Have you ever forgotten where you parked your car in a massive mall or a new city? Google Maps can solve this instantly. After you park, find the blue dot on the map that shows your current location and give it a long press until the menu options appear. Scroll to the right on the bottom menu until you see the three dots or the more button and click on it. Now, simply select the option that says set as parking location. Google Maps will now save that exact spot with a P icon so you can find it later. If you are carrying heavy luggage or using a stroller, you want to avoid stairs at all costs. Search for public transport route, then tap on the route options button, which is usually hidden behind the transport mode icons. This is a crucial setting for accessible travel. We are halfway through our list, and if you are finding these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow so we can keep making these free guides for you. Now let's look at how to plan your arrival time perfectly to avoid traffic. Search for your destination and choose your transport mode as usual. Instead of just looking at the current time, tap on the text that says leave now which has a small downward arrow next to it. This opens up the scheduling power of Google Maps. Select the Arrive By tab and set the exact time you need to be at your destination. Google Maps will then calculate the best time for you to leave your house based on historical traffic data and real-time patterns, ensuring you are never late for a meeting. When you are already on a long drive and suddenly need gas or food, don't stop your navigation. Tap the magnifying glass icon on the top right while you are still in navigation mode. This allows you to search for services without losing your current route progress. Select a category like gas stations or restaurants. You will see these places appear directly along your path. You can even see the gas prices right on the map, allowing you to choose the cheapest option and save a significant amount of money during your road trip. Want to know what to order at a new restaurant? Search for the restaurant name and tap on the menu tab. Google Maps uses AI to highlight the most popular dishes based on customer photos and reviews. Tap on any photo under the highlights section to see what it actually looks like. For large places like airports or shopping malls, use the directory feature. Search for a major airport, then scroll through the blue chips under the name until you find directory. This will show you exactly where every shop, airline gate, and lounge is located across the different floors. If you want to keep a digital diary of your travels, you need to enable the timeline feature. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner and select your timeline. This logs every place you visited and even the mode of transport you used to get there. Safety is priority, so learn how to share your live location. Tap your profile picture again and select location sharing. Choose the contact you want to share with and set a timer. This allows your friends or family to see exactly where you are in real time on their own maps. For the ultimate futuristic experience, use the AR mode. Tap the small camera icon in the search bar. Point your phone at the buildings around you and Google Maps will overlay digital arrows and signs on the real world to show you exactly which way to walk. Those were the 13 secret Google Maps tricks to save you time and money. Try them out on your next trip and let us know in the comments which one was your favorite. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more tech tips. See you in the next one.